Former House Speaker Jose De Venecia is laid to rest today at the libingan ng mga bayani. Ryan Reloban is on the line for the details on the state funeral. Ryan, go ahead.
My former House Speaker Jose De Venecia Jr. is laid to rest at the libingan ng mga bayani today. On Wednesday morning, his remains were brought to Heritage Memorial Park in Taguig City for funeral mass. Even before the ceremony began, the venue was nearly filled with mourners who came to pay their final respect to the De Venecia family. Upon the arrival of his remains, full military honors were accorded, including a ceremonial march, flag raising, and a 21-gun salute in recognition of his long years of service to the nation. Present at the ceremony were members of his family, close friends, former worker in the House of Representatives, and several high-ranking government officials. Among those in attendance were former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, COMELEC Commissioner Ernesto Maceda Jr., and Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro Jr. In the eulogy, speakers highlighted his tenures as a five-time Speaker of the House of Representatives, first elected to the post in 1992 under the administration of former President Fidel V. Ramos, and later serving again from 2001 to 2008. He was also recognized for his contribution to advancing economic reforms and supporting the peace process in the Mindanao. During his nearly 4 decades in politics, De Venecia was known as a political strategist and consensus builder, a leader who marked to unite opposing sides amid heated debates in the House. The ceremony concluded with the presentation of the Philippine flag to his family, symbolizing his years of service and sacrifice in public office. Today, not only a former speaker was laid to rest, but a significant chapter in the history of the Philippine Congress was also brought to a close. May namataan din natin na dumating dito sa libing San Miguel Corporation President and CEO Ramon Ang. Sa ngayon, may nagpapatuloy ang mensahe ng asawa ng namayapang dating House Speaker Jose De Venecia Jr. May?
Maraming salamat, Ryan Reloban, reporting from the libingan ng mga bayani.